What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at yet another lesson from my favourite book, The Richest Man in Babylon, and it's a very interesting one at that. In this video we're going to be talking about good luck, but more specifically, whether or not you can attract it. Whether or not you believe in luck, I personally haven't met anyone who will deny that some people just seem to run into what appears to be good luck a hell of a lot more than everyone else. You know, that guy or girl for whom things always seem to go their way. Whether they have the perfect boyfriend or girlfriend, or they get the promotion, or they get the new business deal. Whatever it is, things just always seem to line up right for these people. So this then begs the question, is there such a thing as good luck? And if there is, how can we attract it? Well, I won't pretend to know exactly how this thing we call good luck actually works, but I do have a little bit of insight into how we can increase our chances of receiving this good luck. And as with a lot of my financial insight, this lesson is indeed derived from The Richest Man in Babylon. In the book, a number of the merchants would frequently gather at what they called the Temple of Learning, and this was a place where voluntary teachers would gather to share their wisdom, and the people were free to discuss any subject they wished in an open forum format. One night in the Temple of Learning, one of the merchants brought up the subject of good luck, and he asked Arcad, the richest man in Babylon, what his take on it was, and whether or not someone could attract it. And the discussion that unfolded went something like this. Arcad first and foremost asks the room whether or not any of them have recently run into what they would call good luck, as the room could then examine these examples to determine whether or not someone could indeed attract this good luck. Initially, the conversation leans towards the betting tables or gambling on the horse races, as these are the places which people most often associate with good luck. However, after some analysis, Arcad quickly concludes that in these circumstances, the odds are always stacked against the participant and in favour of the gamekeeper, or what we today would call the house. Hence the saying, the house always wins. After establishing this, Arcad then steers the conversation towards the area that he believes good luck can actually be found and indeed enticed. And his suggestion is the area of trades or businesses, and he then challenges the merchants, stating that though they usually consider a profitable trade or successful business deal to be a reward for their efforts, is it not possible that good luck had some role to play in this? Upon this challenge, an elderly merchant stands up to make a suggestion. He proposes that it would be very difficult to differentiate luck from hard work when it came to profitable trades or successful business deals. So instead, why not examine times when the merchants were on the brink of an extremely profitable deal only to have it slip through their fingers? In this case, they would have considered this to be a lack of good luck, for surely if they had had good luck, the trade would have been successful. Thus, if they examine these examples and determine what may have prevented a stroke of good luck, then by doing the opposite of this, they may indeed be able to attract good luck. Arcad agrees with this suggestion and then asks the elderly merchant if he could perhaps provide them with an example of a situation like this. The merchant agrees and then begins to recall a tale of when he was a much younger man. He explained that many years ago his father had presented him with a great opportunity to invest in a plot of land which his father said was going to soon go up in value. Now the merchant could see that this was a really good opportunity, but he was very hesitant. You see, he had recently discovered 2 fine robes, which he hoped to purchase for him and his wife, and if he invested in the land, he wouldn't be able to purchase these. As such, he turned down the investment, and lo and behold, within no time at all, the land had indeed increased in value, far more even than was anticipated. The other men who had invested in this land had become very wealthy, whilst the merchant who had declined admitted that he had allowed good luck to escape him. After the merchant finished telling this story, a man from Syria stands up, and he explains to the room that in his own language they have a word for people who put off doing the things which are well and good for them. After asking the gentlemen around him, they discover that the word he is referring to is a procrastinator. Now keep that in mind as we will come back to it. Anyway, after the man sits down, the elderly merchant bows good-naturedly, and the conversation continues. Another story is then recounted by one of the other merchants, where he too missed out on a fantastic profit when he postponed a deal which he knew was of extremely high value. By the time he was ready to commit to it, a number of the other merchants had already taken advantage of this deal, whilst this merchant was left empty-handed. After the retelling of these two stories, the conversation circles back yet again to procrastination, as this was the common theme in both of the tales. You see, whilst the merchants knew that the opportunity set before them was of good value, both of them failed to take advantage of it. And here, Arkad links the moral of the two stories with good luck, stating, "We did pursue this discussion to find a means by which good luck could be enticed to us. I feel that we may have found the way. Both tales did illustrate how good luck follows opportunity. Herein lies a truth that many similar tales of good luck, won or lost, could not change. The truth is this: good luck can be enticed by accepting opportunity." Now, the wording may sound a bit funny due to the Old English text, but the key takeaways that we can derive from this discussion are as follows. 1. Good luck often follows opportunity, but seldom comes otherwise. 2, and this is a direct quote from the book, men of action are favoured by the goddess of good luck. And finally, number 3, the enemy of good luck is procrastination. From these 3 points, we can deduce that whether or not luck, and indeed good luck, does in fact exist, we can take advantage of situations which, at the very least, resemble good luck, so long as we take action, avoid procrastination, and seize good opportunities when they come our way. And that just about wraps up good luck and how you can attract it, according to the richest man in Babylon. Thank you for watching, folks. If you enjoyed this video, then please do be sure to give it a like. And if you would like to follow me on my journey from $0 to $1 million, and if you would like to see more content about making money, saving, investing, and building wealth, well, then do be sure to subscribe. I upload videos every Monday and Friday, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next one.